Eagle. First, you will need to locate the quick link. This will look slightly different to the other links. Using a bent spoke or coat hanger, hook either side of the quick link. This can help when removing the quick link, as otherwise you'll have the tension of the derailleur pulling on the chain. Using a pair of quick link pliers, squeeze either side of the quick link really hard. Give the quick link a wiggle and pull it apart. Be sure that when you refit it, that the arrow is facing the direction of rotation of the chain. Squeeze both sides together and make sure that each pin is securely located properly. If you are at home and you have pliers, then pull the chain apart and click the quick link. If you have no quick link pliers or out on the road, then make sure that the quick link goes to the top, hold the wheel and then pull on the pedal, crank, and then that should click the quick link securely. Be sure to check your quick links for wear regularly. Sometimes the pins can become loose, such as the one shown here, so this one will need replacing. The 11-speed quick links are supposed to be only used once. This is a Park Tool Mini Brute CT5, absolutely brilliant to carry in your pack, but also really handy to use at home as well. If you have snapped a chain out on a ride, you may need to remove a link to enable you to have two female parts, as you can see. So removing that part would leave a male part, so we would need to remove this part to allow you to have another female part. Locate the chain tool over the pin you need to remove. If you have a quick link to use, then make sure that you drive the pin out by turning the handle. It will take some time and some force. Once the pin is fully removed, then wind it all the way back out again. If you do not have a quick link, then you can actually reuse one of the pins already in part of the chain by partially driving the pin out and then reattaching it and then actually pushing the pin back in from the other side. Just be careful not to go too far, otherwise the pin will completely come out of the chain. Once you have the holes lined up, then drive the pin in through the back.